Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to your maths lesson. How are you all? So student, let's start our lesson. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Student, in this lesson we will understand and we will learn how to calculate LCM of given numbers. Math is actually a game, so you do this with your interest. It's like a match. You see a match when teens are playing with a very courage and energy. This is also a game, so do like a game. It's not a boring thing, it's very interesting, students. So let's start our LCM. It's a game of numbers. Okay, so our today's task is exercise 10. Calculate the LCM of the following numbers: 10, 30 and 100. In this exercise we have to calculate the LCM of three given numbers. Okay, the first question is calculate the LCM of the following numbers: 10, 30 and 100. Okay, so to take this LCM we'll do the factorization, combined factorization. You have to write down three numbers at the same time, and you will divide with a suitable number, with the smallest suitable number. Okay, possibly that divide all the numbers at the same time. For example, as you see, there are 0 on these three numbers, so it can be easily divisible by 2. 2 5 times 10, 2 1 times 2, and 2 5 times 10. You see, I have questions to get by dividing this with 2. Now you see there is 0 with just one number, and other numbers, they cannot be divisible by 2 because there is 5 at the end of numbers. So we will take this 2, and the number that cannot be divisible by 2, we just take it as it is, and this number we will divide 2 times 4 and to 5 times 10. So now you see all the numbers are having 5, but still this 15 can be divisible by 3. You take the smallest number first and then you move on the greater number. Okay, the number that cannot be divisible by 3, you take it, carry as it is, and you divide this 15 by 3. 3 5 times 15. As you see, now we have all the numbers that can be just divisible by 5, so we will divide it by 5. 5 1 time 5, 5 1 time 5, and 5 times 25. Just last one. We have to do this unless we get the one with all the numbers. Okay, now write all these multiples here. 2 multiply 2 multiply 3, 5 and 5. Now we will multiply all these numbers to get the least common multiple. 2 2 times 4, 4 3 times 12, 12 5 times 60, and we will multiply 60 with 5. So you can also multiply it on your rough side. As you see, we get 300, so 300 is the answer that is required LCM. Okay, so our LCM is 300. In this way you can easily find out the LCM. This is very helpful in the next exercises, because in the next unit when we move on fractions, we have to solve the fraction, addition of fraction, subtraction of fraction. So in that fraction questions we have to do the LCM. So it is very mandatory or compulsory to understand how to take LCM of different numbers. Task is you have to do these questions, that are 8 questions. Just one I have already done for you. This is very easiest task. Complete your task and share your work in the group.